Ever hear of a relaxed performance? It's theater for everyone, where we make the theater more comfortable and inclusive.
Sound effects? We turn the volume down on anything too loud or too jarring.
No sudden flashes or strobes, and we keep the house lights on, so there's never darkness.
And if you need to move, take a break, or even step out for a bit, you can come and go as you like.
We know flexibility is important, so tickets are fully refundable prior to the performance, just in case your plans change.
We even provide a social story with pictures to help you know what to expect before the show.
Because theater should be for everyone.
Join us for a relaxed performance at A Noise Within.